Oh yeah, what's going on YouTube? Nick here. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for coming to back to my channel and visiting me. My subscribers, thank you so much. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and when we get there, I'm gonna start giving away a dash cam every single month. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. And if you have, thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate you, and I hope you guys all win. So I will be coming up with a page. A web page that you'll have to register for the free giveaway. So it's just your email address and you're registered. And then on a monthly basis, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in there and I'm going to put all the emails into a randomizer on Google, and it's going to draw out an email. And we're going to do that on live videos only. So make sure you ring the bell for notifications. So I just want to do this quick video. This is about Uber being sued over the resistance to the California gig law. AB5, where companies have to treat their contractors as employees over some stipulation of controlling because they control how they work or something like that. Some garbage, some bullshit. I don't believe in AB5. I think it's garbage. I think it's a law for the losers in life that want to have everything handed to them. And what you're essentially doing, I know this is going to offend you, and I'm sorry, but you need to hear it. And what this is essentially going to do is just further cement you as a slave. They'll figure out the best way that's going to work for them, and then you'll be committed to being treated like an employee. So you'll have to work so many hours. You'll have to work shifts. I don't even know what you're thinking. Why? Because you want some health benefits? You know, this is America. When you want something, you go out and you get it. If not, you're just going to be a servant to someone else's goals. But other than that, I want to go over this article that was on Yahoo Finance. So I just want you to see this. So on Yahoo Finance, so these guys got pretty good information. This article is by Jonathan Stemple and Reuters, right? So Uber is sued over their resistance to AB5, the gig contractor law. Yeah, so let me just read it to you. So a driver for Uber has sued the company for misclassifying its drivers as independent contractors hours after California legislators voted to help thousands of those workers become and enjoy the benefits of being employees. Now, guys, this just came out. This was like 47 minutes ago. All right, this is September 12th, 2019 at approximately 10:45. Okay, this probably happened at 10:30. Okay, back to the article. So this guy, a driver for Uber, has sued the company, right? The proposed class action filed on Wednesday might be Uber driver Angela McRae appears to be the first since California's Senate passed landmark legislation that could affect workers in many industries, in addition to ride-sharing companies such as Uber Technologies, Inc. All right, so it sounds like this girl, Angela, was on the ready. Like, she was like, oh, as soon as this passes, she's going to sue him. Like, she was already in place. She knew what to do. I don't know. What do you guys think? You know, this is going to be a big controversy. I know a lot of people are preying on this, especially Uber, because they're such a big company. And God, I was just looking at myself. I look pretty scruffy, huh? I need to get a shave, shower and shave. I've been working a lot. I've been killing myself. I don't know about you guys. If you're killing yourself or not, if you're a driver, go ahead and comment yes. If you've been killing yourself, give me a big thumbs up out there driving for Uber. I know I have. I work 60 hours a week, you know, and right now barely getting by, barely making my bills. That's reality when you drive for Uber or drive for Lyft. You know, you're gonna work your ass off. If you want to make some money, you're gonna work your ass off. If you want to make just a little bit of money, you could do pretty good in your part time. I think most people that do a part time probably enjoy it. It's us full timers that that are on the road all the time to just hate it. I know I am. I'm just getting sick of it. I'm getting sick of traffic, dealing with people, waiting for people. Just all of it. I just need a break. I'm glad I got a break coming up this weekend. I'll be with my daughter. It's my daughter's birthday weekend, well, birthday party weekend, so we're having a party for her on Saturday, but I have her for the whole weekend, so I'll be taking time off, which is nice. So back to this. So Angela appears to be the first since California's Senate passed the landmark legislation. Okay, so she was ready. Yeah, and by the way, go ahead, tell me what you think about AB5. Are you for it or against it, and why? Okay, and why? I like having the convenience. I like being able to turn on and off whenever I want. That is the main thing. Okay. Yes, I would like some more money. Yes, I would like benefits. But if I have to give up my convenience, my freedom, I don't want it. I don't want it. It's not worth it. Okay. That's my opinion. I'll pursue other ways to do what I need to do, to get done what I need to do, to take care of my family and all that. Okay. This ongoing defiance of law constitutes a willful violation of California law. This ongoing, it really just like turned over, like it was just a day. Not even. This ongoing defiance of law constitutes a willful violation of California law. That's in quotations, by the way. I just want you to see that right here, in quotations. All right. So this ongoing defiance of the law constitutes a willful violation of California law. The complaint said. McRae is seeking damages for Uber drivers in California and injunction required compliance. Oh, injunction. So I think they're gonna that means injunction. I think that means get immediate intervention into the business, into the way that they conduct their business. Chief Legal Officer Tony West said on Wednesday that the law did not automatically reclassify drivers, but Uber could pass the hardest test to the satisfaction of arbitrators and courts. The law has attracted, so that's the other thing too. Uber is pushing back. So Uber's pushing back. They're saying, they're basically saying "F you" to your law. They don't care. They're like, whatever, we don't care what you guys say because you're wrong. Let me see. I just want to get my chair for a second. Sorry, I'm really uncomfortable right now. Just bear with me here. Yeah, and then Uber's pushing back, and they're not going forward with the passing of AB5. They're like, we don't care. We don't care. All right. So this law has attracted national attention because of the size of California's workforce, which includes several 100,000 contract workers. So this is it really is the gig law, because now other not just drivers, but other people doing gig work, this could affect them too. Somebody was saying the dog walkers, and then anybody else that's doing RideShare for Uber Eats, or they just want to do delivery, or Amazon Flex. It's going to affect them and whatever other gig workers there are out there. So it's man, it's really just pushing back on the progress that we're making. We're really at a turning point here with technology, with the internet, and the way everything's changing. Everybody can start working from home almost. You don't even have to be on the road. You don't have to drive to work, but if you're a driver, that's cool too. But what I'm saying is we're just on the verge of something. Everything is changing. We can, as long as you have an internet connection, you have a phone and a computer, you can honestly almost work from anywhere. And I wouldn't want to see that, that progress gets slowed down just because of the law like this. So I really hope it doesn't really affect things too much. And I hope it stays in California for the most part. I'm in Massachusetts, so as long as it doesn't come here, it really doesn't affect me. But I can see the possibility of this ruling coming to Massachusetts. I really hope not. So the law, let me continue. The law also has been criticized by trade groups and gig economy companies dependent on contract workers because of the extra financial burdens. Assembly Bill 5 would codify a 2018 California Supreme Court decision that narrowed when employers could classify workers as independent contractors. Uber, rival LYFT Inc., and DoorDash have pushed for separate legislation to boost driver pay and benefits while preserving their independent contractor status. Yes, I think that would be the way to go. Please. I want to see our pay and bonuses go up rather than getting benefits. If you want benefits, just go get a job, please. In March, Uber agreed to pay $20 million to settle a nearly 6-year-old lawsuit by California and Massachusetts drivers over their classifications. Oh boy, Massachusetts, just what I was saying too, right? The case is McRae versus Uber Technologies, Inc., U.S. District Court, Northern District of California. Is that so she's been going. This lady's been going for a while. Angela McRae. Reporting by Jonathan Stemple in New York. Additional reporting by Danielle Weisner. Editing by Nick Zeminski. All right, well, that's it, guys. I don't know, I just wanted to share that with you that, people are already on this. People are already trying to sue them. There's definitely a lot more going on. Uber's saying F you, we're not changing the classification. We're going to keep doing business the way we are. Their lawyer has publicly said that they're we don't care about this ruling. It means nothing to us. So I don't know what you think, but let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.